The phrase, statistics is a significant aspect of our life, encapsulates the significance of statistics. It is a difficult subject for pupils to grasp and master. However, statistics are quite useful in our daily lives. In their daily lives, primary students apply statistics to MNC professionals. Statistics are omnipresent, from batting averages to presidential surveys, yet the discipline has a reputation for being dull and difficult to understand. Many statistics books and classes contain an excessive amount of math and jargon. The technical specifics are important and fascinating, but if you don't comprehend the intuition, it's just Greek. You might not even be interested in learning intuition if you don't believe it has any value. It's all about intuition in this intuition-based statistics. It is light on math, equations, and graphs, but I promise that when they are utilized, they will serve a clear and instructive purpose. Meanwhile, the series is chock full of examples to persuade you that learning this stuff is worthwhile. Statistics can be fascinating, and the most of it isn't difficult. Let's solve an example. An infinite series is a set of numbers that continues indefinitely, such as 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. The three dots indicate that the pattern will go on indefinitely. This was the portion that we couldn't wrap our heads around. Our instructor was trying to persuade us, using some long-forgotten demonstration, that a series of numbers could go on indefinitely and still add up to, approximately, a finite amount. How can something that is infinite add up to something that is finite? A complex mathematical proof was provided by one of my teachers. To be honest, I had my doubts as well. The same question was popping on my mind. How can something that is infinite add up to something that is finite? I had just figured out the solution to the problem in my head, which was entirely based on intuition. Assume you've placed yourself exactly 2 feet away from a wall. Now go half a foot closer to the wall, 1 foot, leaving you standing 1 foot away. Move half the distance to the wall again, 1/2 a foot, from 1 foot away. Do it again from 6 inches away, move 1/4 of a foot. Then repeat the process, advance 1/8 of a foot. And so forth. You'll come very near to the wall as time goes on. However, you will never strike the wall because each move only covers half of the remaining distance. To put it another way, you'll come dangerously close to hitting the wall yet never actually strike it. The series may be characterized as 1 plus 1/2 plus 1/4 plus 1/8. If we measure your moves in feet, that's where the insight comes in. Even if you keep going indefinitely, with each move covering half of the remaining distance to the wall, the total distance you travel will never exceed 2 feet, which is your beginning distance from the wall. The entire distance you go may be estimated as 2 feet for mathematical reasons, which comes in useful for calculations. I don't recall the math that proves the sum of an infinite series can converge to a finite value, but I can always check it up on the internet. And when I do, it'll almost certainly make sense. In my experience, intuition aids understanding of arithmetic and other technical aspects, but not often the other way around. The goal of this series is to make the most essential statistical ideas more obvious and accessible to anybody interested in the incredible power of numbers and statistics, not just those of us compelled to study them in windowless classrooms. The other videos will be uploaded soon which will cover more interesting topics and examples. If you like this video, please like, comment and share. And subscribe DataFuse Analytics channel. Thank you.